Greetings to one and all. I'm Prachi Bhatt and I'm delighted to share that I'm in my first year of doctoral program at Sunandan Diwatiya School of Science, NMIMS. This prestigious institution has provided me with an incredible platform to explore my passion for research and expand my knowledge in my chosen field, which is sustainability development. And in this context, my project proposes the study of developing a catalyst for biodiesel production from waste vegetable oil. So, one of the standout features of the doctoral program at School of Science is the emphasis on practical learning and hands on experience. The coursework not only imparts theoretical knowledge but also offers ample opportunities to work with a wide range of sophisticated instruments like FTIR, UV visible spectrophotometer, HPLC, photoreactor, tube furnace, rotary evaporator, vacuum oven, muffle furnace, and so on. Apart from the rigorous academic curriculum, the institution also offers a vibrant campus life with a multitude of extracurricular activities, clubs, and events. These opportunities allow us to develop essential skills, build a lifelong friendship, and cultivate a well rounded personality. This is a glimpse into the incredible educational experience that awaits you at NMIMS.